Hello, and welcome to the first part of our overview of ProjectTracker.net, our web-based project management system. This demonstration will cover the creation and planning of projects. In ProjectTracker.net, we can create projects in several ways, such as by copying an existing project or importing a Microsoft project file. In this presentation, we will create a project from scratch. Our first step is to define the project in a definition document. This form holds key information, including an overview of the project, budget and team information, tasks, customer information, and more. Organizations can also customize the project definition form with their own fields. After completing an overview of the project, it is time to create a project team. Team members can be selected individually or in multiples as service groups. Next, we will configure milestones for the project. During the execution phase of the project, managers can utilize color-coded milestone dashboards to review the progress of the endeavor. Now we will create a new task for the project. In the Tasks tab, we can already see the milestones we established earlier, arranged in a work breakdown structure. After we create a new task, we will see just how flexible this structure is. In the task form, we can provide comprehensive information about the task, even the account code the work should be charged against, such as whether it constitutes capital or non-capital labor. We will now select an assignee for the task. As you can see, the assignee's cost rate is multiplied by the time they are assigned to the task. The cost of the task will be included as part of the planned budget for the project, which we will see in a moment. The new task is included in the work breakdown structure. However, it really belongs as a subtask to design, so we'll indent it under that milestone. ProjectTracker.net also supports the linking of tasks. Another avenue for task creation is available through the integration of ProjectTracker.net with SupportTracker.net, a help desk system. In SupportTracker.net, relevant tickets can be deferred and converted into tasks for the project, or even into projects themselves. The project definition form also includes an area for important project documents. Using templates, routine project documents can easily be generated. These documents are protected from accidental alteration with check-in, check-out functions, as well as version control. Now let's take a look at the budget. After we create an initial budget, we will baseline it. If the budget changes later, we will always have the baseline to show us what was initially planned. As you can see, the task we created earlier has already been included as part of the planned budget. As timesheets, purchase orders, and other financial items are charged against the project, they will be reflected in the Actuals column. The Committed column shows the sum of financial items that have been approved for payment, even if they haven't been actually paid to the vendors yet. The Value of the Forecast column displays predicted costs, a calculation based on your organization's configuration of ProjectTracker.net. Potential risk to the project or its individual tasks can also be identified in the project definition document. The impact of the risk, its probability of occurrence, mitigation plans, and more can all be profiled. Once the project definition is prepared, it can be submitted for approval. Currently, the status of our project definition is saved. We will now submit the request for approval. To streamline the approval process, ProjectTracker.net emails the request to its designated approver, complete with details about the project and its budget. The approver can sign off on the project by clicking a link in the email. We hope you enjoyed this presentation of how ProjectTracker.net simplifies the project planning and request process. It provides comprehensive forms for information about projects, their teams, budgets, risks, and more, and automates the project approval process. The integration of ProjectTracker.net with SupportTracker.net also allows organizations to improve the quality of their product releases, allowing them to convert bug reports and enhancement requests for one product into feature tasks for the next version in development, as well as rolling incomplete tasks from the previous effort into the next planned release. We also offer demonstrations of how ProjectTracker.net simplifies project tracking and execution, as well as reporting. Please contact us today to learn more about what ProjectTracker.net can offer your organization. You can also register for immediate access to a free demonstration and have a hands-on evaluation of ProjectTracker.net today.